Hello everyone, welcome to Exot Solutions. In previous video we completed our 2D sketches. If you have any query related to that, you can ask me in comment section. In this video we are going to start our 3D modeling, so let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the pad command and workbench environment. So to start the project, click on start, mechanical design, part design. Here you can give any name to your part. For example, I will give 3D project 1. Press OK. Here at left side you have to select any one of these plane to go to sketcher environment. I am selecting XY plane. After that press sketch. This is our sketcher environment. Here you have to draw any 2D sketch. For example, I will draw a circle. Give it dimension. After that press exit workbench and here click pad. In pad command you will see various parameters. We will see one by one. First of all, the type, which type you want, dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. As per your convenience you can select it. For now we will see dimension. After that the length, how much length you want. From here you can increase the length or reduce the length. After that there will be selection sketch. We already selected sketch. There will be option thick, we will see next it. And then the mirror option, if you want exact copy of this sketch we will draw in opposite direction, then select mirror. Or if you want pad in reverse direction, then select reverse. Or if you want upward direction, press upward. After that press preview and press OK. As you can see, our circle will be padded. Now if you want to draw another object on any one of the surface, for example I want to draw another object on this surface, so select surface and click sketch. After that draw an object on that surface and exit workbench. After that press pad, repeat the procedure exactly and pad it, give dimension as per your convenience and press preview and press OK. As you can see, our object will be drawn. So this is all about pad command. So we are going to see the another options from pad command. As we draw the circle, make it pad. So this is the thick option. If you want to give thickness to your object, then you can use thick option. From here you can give the thickness, length as per your convention, how much you want. Here you can see thickness 1, thickness 2. As you can see in the image or sketch, it will be shown. Press preview and OK. As you can see, from this option you will draw objects like this. So this is the thick option. For example, I will draw another object, then you will get clearly idea about pad command. Now I will draw an rectangle. Exit workbench, select pad and give the dimension to the pad. Press preview, OK. As you can see, this is our rectangle. Now I want to draw the object on this surface. Make sure the object will be close, not open. If object one side will be open, then it will not pad. Exit workbench, press pad, give the dimension, preview. If you want mirror, then press mirror, preview, press OK. As you can see, it will be drawn. So this is all about pad command. We will see pocket command in next video. Thank you for watching.